This is blueberry milk. It's fast to make and you get a really cool blue purplish or purplish gray color at the end. You only really need 4 ingredients listed here. You need to make sure you have some blueberries, something to mash the blueberries with, a saucepan or small pot, a funnel, and a bottle. I used 12 blueberries for this recipe, but honestly, if you want more, go for it. I used a bottle, but you can use anything clear like a mug or jar. Put in about 1 centimeter deep of water. Put up the burner to medium-high heat. I used my broken mallet to mash the blueberries with. Covering it with plastic wrap just helps reduce the washing. Once the water boils, add in your mashed blueberries. You can mash the berries even more if some of them have not been mashed properly. Now add in about 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. So I'm using 3 teaspoons because if it's overly sweet, I know I can just add more milk. Stir just to distribute the sugar. Reduce or remove from heat after about a few minutes. So you can let it simmer for a bit. I'm removing it from the heat. Add in the milk, about 2/3 of the jar. You can always add more later if you want. Then add in the cooled blueberry mixture. See the purple started forming? Cool, hey? Alright, so I underestimated how much syrup I had here. Okay, so I screwed up a bit here and added too much milk. So instead of the gradient, it's just one color in the milk section. I'll show you another sample that looks better once we finish with this one. So the reason I wanted to use a jar is because it's easier to mix than stirring with a spoon. You can just shake it. Shaking it helps redistribute the blueberries on the bottom easier than stirring. Alright, so let's give it a try. So how does it taste? Pretty good. I like strawberry milk better, but this isn't bad at all. So this was the other sample I was talking about where I didn't screw up. It looks prettier than the one that we made here originally. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for similar content.